Okay, so my morning's already a little different than what I had ordinarily planned. Normally on Sundays, it's church, go out to eat maybe after church, and then we come home and I get dressed in my workout gear and I go to the gym to cross train. As you can see, I am already in my workout gear because I did not go to church today. Sam woke up with a migraine again this morning. He's been having bad headaches on and off, some worse than others. The worst one was the first. There he is. Hi, Sam.
Hi.
If you don't want to be in the movie, you should probably stay out of the camera.
I thought you were talking to Grandma. See ya.
No, Grandma's not here. Anyway, he woke up with a migraine. The very first migraine he got was several weeks ago, and it was bad. He got that in church and he got himself out of his Sunday school class, lay down on the couch. Someone came and found me and took me to him where he was crying. Threw up in the van. We took him to the ER. They did CAT scan. All they found was a sinus infection. And the migraine disappeared almost before they gave him the Tylenol. And he's been having them on and off, even though they treated the sinus infection. I don't know. We went to a doctor to follow up. She wanted us to give it a little more time and then maybe do another CAT scan. We'll see. Maybe refer him to a pediatric ENT. I don't know if it's a sinus infection or what's causing these, but it's got me worried. So I didn't want to take him to church today if he was going to have a headache, although he's recovered since. So Eric took Gabe to church, and I'm home with Sam. When they get home, I don't know if Eric and Gabe are going to go out to lunch or pick something up, bring it home, or I'll eat here or what. When they get home, I'll trade off. Eric will stay home. I'll go to the gym, get my workout in. I'm tired. I'm used to it not following my routine. Sometimes will screw me up in the morning, and I just feel more tired than I ordinarily would. I've had my coffee. I feel like I'm ready to go. But since I'm not, and I'm just sitting here in my exercise clothes, I don't know. I feel out of sorts. I'll drink some more water. That's my morning. How's yours going?